First, let's begin by graphing our three equations and then looking on the graph to see which pair represents an inverse relation. I'm going to begin using f of x. Let's make it blue. So I'm going to begin with my b, which is my y-intercept, so plot the point at 4 on the y-axis. My slope is 1/2, so from there I'm going to go up 1/2, plot that point, do it a few times, so that we can clearly see where it's headed. And the next thing we want to do is sketch the line. Choose a line starting at this point here and make sure it goes through several of the points that I have plotted and extend it a bit beyond. There we go. That's f of x, g of x. Let's create that one in green. So g of x begins at -2, so I'm going to go down 2, and from there I'm going to go, the slope is 2, which is really the same as 2/1. So I'm going to go up 2/1. And again, do that a few times, up 2/1, up 2/1, up 2/1, looking to create the sketch of that one. Choose the line, begin at one of my top points, extend through the points that I have, and there's my g of x and h of x. Let's create h of x in, let's go red. So h of x begins at -8, so I'm going to go down to -8 on the y-axis. My slope again is 2, which means 2/1, so up 2/1, up 2/1. Again, several times. Here. So we'll put us on this point. And last is to sketch the line that is formed. So choose line, begin up here, through the points that I have plotted, and here we go. And when I look at this sketch, it appears that the blue one and the red one are inverses of each other right here, because they are flipping over this line y equals x. So the blue line, which is the f of x, and the red line, which is the h of x, appear to be inverses of each other. And then I can, to confirm this, I can take one of the points from the red one right here. So this point right in here is the point 40. So on the red one, I have the point 40. Do I have its inverse point on the blue one? In other words, do I have the point 0,4? If I check and it's there, then I pretty much will confirm my thought process that this is working, and so I do have that point right there. So that confirms that since the x and y coordinates are switched from one line to the other, and the graph themselves appear to be reflections of each other over the line f of x, these are inverses.